Hello, my dear children. Clever Carla is a short play of the farmer who tries to sell his products. Let's read the short play. In the city of Palermo, Italy, there lived a poor farmer and his young daughter, that is Carla. The farmer worked hard to cultivate fine grains and fresh vegetables, which he sold at a nearby market. Carla helped her father by watering the plants and collecting the grains. As you know that short play is given as scene by scene. The first scene is the situation that is happening in a one place. So our first scene, that is scene 1. One day the farmer loaded his wagon with the grains and hitched up his only horse. The scene 1, farmer loaded his wagon which means the vehicle, that is the horse cart, is full of grains. The farmer saying that, "Wish me luck, Carla. I am going to the market and hope to return before dark with my pockets filled with money." And what was Carla's reply? Carla said that, "Good luck, Papa. Do come back soon. I will have the rest of the grains collected by the time you come back." Scene 2 is in the second place, that is in the street. Merchant. "Hey, wait, my good fellow." He picks up a handful of grains and admires them. That means the merchants take the grains and he describing about the grains to the farmer. "I see you do fine work. Very fine indeed." He looks at the farmer with a sly grin. "How much for everything?" Farmer said that, 20 copper pieces for everything." Merchant. "It's a deal. Here is the money." The merchant climbs onto the wagon, seats himself next to the farmer. "Now, step down and be on your way." Farmer. "What's this?" Merchant. "Come now, my dear fellow, let us not argue. You did agree to sell me everything, didn't you?" Farmer. "Well, yes, but..." Merchant. "I take you at your word. Everything includes your wagon and your horse. After all, a deal is a deal. If you don't agree with me, we will go before the judge. There is one just down the street." Here we can see the merchant is cheated the farmer. He said that everything means the all grains. But the merchant misunderstand that everything which includes wagon and horse. The next scene, that is scene 3, in the court. The judge said that, "Did you agree to sell everything?" Farmer. "Well, yes, but..." Judge. "Then a deal is a deal and you must do as you agreed." The farmer walks back home with a cruel merchant's laugh ringing in his ears. When he gets home, he explains everything to Carla just as it happened. Carla. "What a greedy old man. But don't worry, Papa. I have an idea." Early the next day, Carla selected a basket full of the best ripe watermelons that the farmer had ever made. Carla. "Let me try my luck at selling these." The next scene is in the street, that is scene 4. Merchant. "Young lady, you look tired. Perhaps I can help you." Carla. "That would be very nice indeed." She holds out of a pair of watermelons. By hearing the whole incident, Carla became very angry because Carla is very clever. So in the next day itself, Carla made a trick on merchant. He take all the ripe watermelons to the market. And when seeing the merchant, he said that, "Young lady, you are very tired. Perhaps I can help you." Carla, "That should be very nice indeed. That is very kind of you." Merchant said that, "How much for everything?" He grinned slyly, thinking he can make another good deal for himself. Carla. "How much will you give me?" The merchant take 3 copper coins in his hand. Merchant. "These are difficult times, lady. This is all I can offer." Carla. "Everything in your hand?" Merchant. "Yes, certainly." Carla. "Then it is a deal." She holds out her hand for payment. The merchant grins slyly and slides the coins into her hands. Carla. "Oh, thank you. And I see that you have 3 lovely rings. I will have them as well. Thank you. They are very colorful." Merchant. "What? You must be crazy." Carla. But you had agreed to give me everything in your hand, didn't you? And remember, a deal is a deal, just the way you had a deal with my father the other day. Merchant, oh no. Reluctantly, he removes the ring and gives them to Carla. He wipes his tears, she sees his tears and returns the ring. And she added, I can't cheat anybody as you did. My father taught me not to harm anybody. Take your rings back. The merchants look at Carla in a wonder. From this chapter or from this short play, we can understand the clever Carla's trick on merchant. That is, in the previous day, merchants made a trick on the Carla's father. So in the next day, Carla made a trick on merchant and he understand the importance of hard work and also understand never cheat others. From the next page, we can see some pictures. Number the pictures in the same order as the events took place in the play. The activity 2, there is some lines which describes a farmer's work. A farmer tills and toils in the farm to produce good products. The work of a farmer is hard and eventful as described in the above lines. Do you know any farmer in your locality? Collect their names, the crops they cultivate, the products, the way they sell it, etc. Here is one example. There is a picture. Let's describe the work of a farmer. Don't forget to describe the work done by the family members of the farmer too. Here is an example. Let's make your own. Last activity is editing. There is a paragraph which is related to farming and some mistakes are there in the paragraph. Let's edit it.